What is up, you guys? This is PLASH from Dollar Dream back again with yet another $1 million video, and today we're going to be installing some camber arms into the 370Z, which is right out there. You guys can't see because it's too much fucking glare, but we are going to be installing some SPL front and rear camber arms onto the car so I can prep it for the wide body install, which would be, I believe, starting next weekend, which I'm pretty excited for. I believe I'm going to drop it off on Friday or Saturday, so kind of just prepping for it. Till then, it'll be with the shop for about 2 weeks. I think the last thing I have to get is just some bolts, some dress-up bolts from Downstar, and then that's it. And other than that, it should be all complete. So I have the carbon fiber front splitter right there from EPR, the Nismo splitter, camber arms, SPL from SPL down there. So we're gonna go over to Maryland to see my friend Mario with the wide body BRZ. He is going to basically watch over me while I install these camber arms onto the car. Then we're gonna go to an alignment shop, get everything dialed in, and get this kid started, man. It's been about a year, and this needs to be put on because I'm tired of the fender flares just looking naked in my fucking storage room. So that being said, next time you guys will see me, I will be in Maryland and we'll be starting the install. See you then. Alright guys, we pulled up to the house. I'm getting ready to jack this up right now actually, but first I gotta take the keys. So go ahead and grab some stands from the shed and also take out my locks. These are really important. Without these, can't take out the wheels. Can't take out the wheels, can't install the camber. That's what I was saying.
Give us more enough time too.
You want to pull up.
I at least want to get the rears done, and if we have to come back for the fronts.
Alright.
So to adjust your camber, we're changing the arm that's all the way back here by your axle. As your axle. That's the arm we have to change. Yep. Alright, so it looks pretty easy. So let's get underneath. There should be a 18 or 19.
And where they at?
Somewhere in these fucking like Andy's been using them.
I gotta get these polished. These shirts look disgusting. We'll be rolling this summer.
This is a 19.
315 40 R18.
So this, right? You gotta make sure you put 2 washers. Alright. Shirts are supposed to go upside. Pretty sure they're supposed to go upside down for clearance purposes, I believe. Same thing with the other side. Make sure the numbers are outside. The bolt is put in through the other side because that's how they do it. So just like that. Alright, and then you put it in this way. So it's gonna sit like this, okay? Make sure you put the bolt in. It's gonna be a little hard because there's not enough room to shimmy in the bolt. So you have to bring it through over the sway bar and then into the arm. So it's gonna, and I think this bolt is slightly longer than the OEM one. Anyways, maybe just about the same thing. So it fits. So you should be able to shimmy it in there. And the cool thing about it is, unlike the OEM bolt, the washer isn't welded under, or so the washers are separated, so you can put the bolt easier. Here you go.
And so to go over exactly what we took off.
Oh, and one more thing. Make sure you measure the same size. It's the same length.
By the hole.
Match up the holes.
Yeah.
Make sure they're at the same distance.
We unscrewed off, so pretty much where this hole is on both sides we had to take off, and we took off this side right here, and also we had to take off that right there. So we took off both of those. That's basically where the arm's gonna go. You're replacing it with the OEM from the aftermarket one. And yeah, so that's pretty much what we did. So now we're about to fucking install these shits. And after we're done with both sides, do the front and then run to a shop to get my alignment, because I cannot afford to drive crazy like this down the highway.
Is it on manual focus? Alright guys, moment of truth.
Hopefully it's enough for me to survive for a day. Ready?
Let's go. This side doesn't look that bad. This side looks actually pretty straight now that they're both on the ground. This one actually looks a little more cambered out. Oh no, it looks good, unlike the other one, but it could be because of the
way we're positioned.
Most likely because of the gyro AC. This one looks cambered and can't really tell much on the toe end. Whereas this side you can definitely tell.
It's kind of somewhere in there. Well, we wouldn't know until we drive it.
Yeah.
This is the real moment of truth right here.
Well, let me know. Take it up the street. Should I pause?
You can drive with me if you want.
Pull out first and then I'll bring mine in. Feel anything yet?
Not yet. Should I start slow?
Nah, drive normal, man.
Okay.
Make it right.
Should I try a little fast on here?
You can. Take it to 25. Make the big square, go up all the way to the stop.
I don't want to like be too excited, but honestly, it kind of feels a little better.
Possibly. Mine didn't take that long to adjust, so it might not be that bad actually. So you're not feeling anything yet? I would say drive it. Drive it home. Hopefully nothing ever kicks in. But as soon as it kicks in,
so that can happen. It can just kick in and start fucking up.
Nah. If it doesn't adjust by the time you get home or to the highway, we're good.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how long would I have to drive around for it to...
Literally as soon as we head to the highway. So let me just do my oil change, and I'll head out with you.
All right, guys. So far, it feels okay. I don't want to be too excited because there are some errands I have to run tonight, and there is a week I have to let go by for me to go to Gemini Wraps to get my car, the wide body kit installed. So I'm kind of hoping I don't need an alignment yet so quickly, because if I take it to the shop, the shop do my kit. If they install the front camber arms, I can just get one alignment, you know, and I have to worry about getting 2 alignments. So hopefully everything is okay. You know, I don't want to get too excited. I'm hoping everything's all right, but so far it feels okay. But man, I'm hoping for the best, man. I wish I can put an install for you guys for like the front camber arms, but unfortunately I can't, because like literally the instructions aren't that good, and there's like no videos online for the 370Z or G37 or 350 or G35 that explain how to do front camber arms, or all the rear. So yeah, I don't really want to risk doing it right now because he has some stuff he has to do. I got some stuff that I have planned. So, but so far it does feel okay, and I'm hoping it stays like this. But all right, next time you guys see me, we'll be at the house, and I'll basically give you guys an update on what exactly happened as far as the ride home and the overall review for the rear camber arm install. So till then, see you guys at the crib. Peace. All right, you guys, so obviously I'm back at the house now. As far as how like the camber arms worked or were in the back, they're pretty solid, which I'm happy about, because I was on a mission that day. It wasn't a normal mission. I was on a mission to get some cheeks. So therefore, I feel like they just had to work, because I could not have sat the car down and then for me not be able to drive, and my whole appointment of me getting some sweet cheeks would have been taken stripped right away from me. I had a perfect opportunity. My parents were out of town for 4 days. I had to bring a shorty over, and I had to dig her down. So that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching the channel. I have a lot more stuff coming. Obviously, I have my splitter right behind me, the steering wheel video, which I'm going to be dropping. I have a couple other stuff like reviews and stuff I'm going to be dropping on the car too as well. I want to get this content out before I get the post the video of the wide body kit pretty much finished and installed. So that being said, all my other channels are in the description box down below, my social media too as well. If you guys want to catch up on the car, be sure to follow me on my Instagram. If you guys are into viral reaction stuff like that, I have another channel, Watch Me Watch You, which is, the link is in the description box down below. My main channel and my clothing channel too as well. So I have 4 channels, all that is in the description box down below. All my social media at the beginning and end card of the video was also in the description box down below. Peace, love, and positive like always, guys. This is with PLASH from $1 Million Dream, signing out with yet another $1 Million video. I'm sorry I'm so tired right now. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm here getting this outro done for you guys. Anyways, that being said, be safe. I'm out. Peace.
Niggas move like hoes on, did it, bitch, yo. I will put a fucking